In the first pocket, we find this tool. This is a hand camera, useful to see the details when we are going to show something to a remote user, for example. With this hand camera, you are free to show some details in a very, very handy and quick way. You attach this lacing system to the belt, you get closer to a detail, you press this button, switch the camera, and you are safely showing a detail to your remote users. The system is, of course, hands-free. The hand camera has one button, optical sensor, thermal sensor, LED light to blinking to show that the camera is recording, and LED light to shed some light on some details if it's a dark spot.